Hello you. Got a few new gadgets to test out this week and have a bit of fun with. Who didn't want to be Darth Vader? Accessorize Me showed me this on his channel, and this Hacksmith mini saber is just insane. Look at that. Imagine that. Being the kind of person that can inspire your colleagues the way Darth Vader did.
We're preparing to...
You have failed me for the last time, Admiral.
Anyway, let's get this open. A weapon from a more civilized age. So you've got a lock button here, and obviously it doesn't come with any gas in it. I almost set fire to my top-down camera. I mean, we have to see what we can do with this. Goodbye, Obi-Wan. This, by Hacksmith, is outrageous. I don't think I can be trusted with this, but this is one of the sexiest items I've bought all year. Hacksmith, you outdone yourselves here. I mean, that's an absolute scandal. I mean, look at that. Right, next product. There are chargers and there are chargers. This one is special. It's a 20,000 milliamp hour backup charger, whatever you want to call this device. And I trust Ugreen. I've got a lot of their products. I've got one of their chargers here, which is like a 65 watt. I've got another one plugged in there that all of this is running off. That's the light there, the light's there, and the camera is being charged by it. So a lot of faith in their products. First of all, that tells you how much power there is left in it. But come on, I mean, look at that animation. This thing is a beast. I charged my phone on 1% to 34% in like 10 minutes. It was a joke how fast it was. And it was kicking out 24 watts per hour. And it tells you on the animation exactly how much juice it's kicking out into the device. So it kind of gives you a rough idea of how long it's going to take to charge from 0 to 100%. For all the downsides you can imagine, which are no cable attached to it and no wireless charging, it's still a beast of a device. It feels solid in the hand, and it will slide perfectly into the drinks holder on the side of your rucksack. If you haven't got one, I highly recommend you get one of these Ugreen chargers. Now, last but not least, this is the KXW1 by a company called Sabre, and it's a foldable wireless keyboard that you can use with your phone. I tend to not do so much unboxing now, and mostly just reviewing and messing with toys. But this, I thought we'd see. What's this like? This was the highest reviewed one by Amazon users. Oh, it does come in a lovely little case, doesn't it? It locks out like that, and that locks out like that. I very much like this, an appeal that's quite satisfying, I hope. Oh, very nice. And this is your trackpad. Right, what else do you get with this? User manual, and a phone stand. So this is a USB-C to A cable, something I absolutely despise. Hello, Rashid here, testing out the new Sabre keyboard. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I mean, that's unbelievable. That's so fast to type on. If you can just put this in your other jacket pocket there, and then your phone's there, or in the front pocket of your bag, whatever, your satchel or anything you're carrying on the plane. This would be an unbelievable piece of kit, and I may try and connect this with my iPad to see if it works with that. Not that there's much point, because the iPad Pro has the Magic Keyboard, which is pretty special, but this is a nicer typing experience, and this was 37 quid. It's a shame that device there isn't connected to this in some way. I mean, you could just do that yourself, and then you'd have your keyboard in a tilted perspective like this. I don't know. Anyway, those have been the 3 products I'm most excited about that I've got so far in September. Anyway, why are you listening to me? I've got no idea what I'm talking about.